Here are the best things to do in Gdańsk, Poland. Number 14. Gdańsk Old Town. Start your Gdańsk adventure with an exciting journey through the picturesque Old Town, a true spectacle that embodies the city's greatest allure. This picturesque gem along the Baltic coast will captivate you with its stunning architecture and historical landmarks, providing the perfect setting for a memorable journey. Head to the vibrant Długi Targ, the heart of the Old Town, where locals and tourists mingle amid historic buildings and lively crowds. Here, you'll find the Neptune Fountain, a magnificent symbol of Gdańsk's history and beauty dating back to the early 17th century. The fountain's captivating presence and the intriguing stories it holds add to the allure of the place. Take a leisurely stroll through the pedestrian-friendly area, and as you do, uncover the unique character of Gdańsk, showcased by its monuments and market squares at every corner. Number 13. Gdańsk Main Town Hall. Visit the Gdańsk Main Town Hall, an exquisite landmark perfect for history enthusiasts and architecture admirers. From the mid-15th century until 1921, it served as the seat of city authorities, holding centuries worth of fascinating stories within its walls. Exploring Długi Targ Street, a vibrant street leading to the main town hall, you'll be enchanted by the sight of the Gothic and Renaissance architecture and the iconic green and red clock tower proudly overlooking Neptune's Fountain. Inside, the Museum of Gdańsk awaits, offering a deeper dive into the city's rich heritage and legacy. As you stroll along this bustling thoroughfare, indulge in delicious local delicacies from quaint cafes and charming eateries lining the street. Number 12. St. Mary's Church. Welcome to St. Mary's Church, the world's largest brick church, where a delightful experience awaits you. This towering masterpiece rises 255 feet high, offering a commanding presence over the beautiful city of Gdańsk. Delve into its spiritual allure and marvel at the magnificent aisled hall church structure with the transept, a true architectural wonder. Ascend the 405 steps to the top of the tower, and you'll be rewarded with astonishing panoramic views of Gdańsk's majestic landscape. Don't miss the chance to explore the elegant interiors adorned with ornate stained glass windows and engaging artwork. The church also hosts various concerts and exhibitions, making it a hub of cultural enrichment. Number 11. Majestic Street. Consider going for a relaxed stroll along Majestic Street, a historic tourist destination that exudes a unique design and vibrant atmosphere. The cobblestone roads lead you through traditional burgher houses adorned with lovely mini terraces, creating a picturesque setting. Majestic Street's fame lies in its association with the lovely amber trade. Soak up the splendor of small shops displaying exquisite amber jewelry and trinkets, offering you a chance to take home a piece of Gdańsk's allure. However, it's the hidden treasures of Majestic Street that truly captivate visitors. Marvel at the mythical creatures adorning the architecture and venture into cozy restaurants nestled in charming corners, offering delectable delights. Number 10. Motława Waterfront and Gdańsk Crane. Situated along the picturesque Motława River, the waterfront offers a delightful promenade for leisurely walks and attractive views of the Gdańsk Old Town. The riverside ambience creates a serene atmosphere perfect for relaxation and contemplation. While exploring this attraction, consider taking a boat trip on the Motława River to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The Gdańsk Crane, with its origins dating back to 1367, stands as a remarkable symbol of the city's historical trading heritage. Its imposing presence and well-preserved structure provide a glimpse into the city's maritime past, leaving you in awe of the craftsmanship and engineering of the distant era. Number 9. European Solidarity Center. If you are interested in history and culture, head over to the European Solidarity Center. This engaging museum and library are entirely devoted to the revolutionary trade union Solidarity, a pivotal force in the downfall of communism in Europe. As you step inside, prepare to be awestruck by the vast collection of approximately 2,000 objects related to Solidarity and the revolution. Since its inauguration in August 2014, the European Solidarity Center has grown in popularity, drawing visitors from all corners of the globe. While you're there, discover the stories of iconic individuals who fought for their rights and shaped the course of European history. Number 8. Museum of the Second World War. Broaden your knowledge of World War II at the Museum of the Second World War. This state cultural institution offers a fantastic and immersive experience dedicated to educating visitors about one of the most significant periods in history. Step inside the museum's stunning design, which houses an extensive underground permanent exhibition spanning almost 53,800 square feet. The museum also features interactive displays and engaging exhibits, which allow you to learn about the political and cultural battlefield that surrounded this monumental event. As you walk through its halls, you'll gain a deeper understanding of how World War II profoundly impacted not only Gdańsk, but also Poland as a whole. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Gdańsk experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 7. Bread Bridge. Take a stroll across Bread Bridge, affectionately known as the Bridge of Love. This canal crossing, with its origins tracing back to the 14th century, has earned fame for being a symbol of love. The site of countless padlocks adorned with names, initials, dates, and heartfelt confessions creates a magical atmosphere that fills the air with romance. As you walk hand in hand with your loved one, the air is filled with the gripping stories of love that have been shared over the centuries. You'll feel the magic of the place enveloping you, drawing you closer to its captivating allure. And perhaps you will be inspired by the romantic ambience and add your own padlock to the collection, sealing your love in this symbol of everlasting commitment. Number 6. Altar in St. Bridget's Church. A unique way to appreciate the beauty of Gdańsk is by visiting St. Bridget's Church and witnessing its marvelous amber altar. This striking piece of art, crafted from a blend of amber, silver, and copper, creates a visual masterpiece that will capture your attention. Standing an impressive 36 feet by 19 feet, the triptych altar merges Catholic religious symbols with depictions of political leaders, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Gdańsk. The church also serves as a place of spiritual solace for locals and visitors, offering a serene atmosphere to contemplate and reflect. And to make the most of your visit, take a guided tour of the church to delve into the history behind this exceptional creation. Number 5. Gdańsk Shipyard. Make your way to the Gdańsk shipyard and experience this city in a unique way. While many tourists flock to the Old Town and its historical attractions, exploring the shipyard provides a glimpse into Gdańsk's industrial past. This area played a significant role in Polish history, especially during the Solidarity movement in the 1980s. As you stroll through the shipyard, you'll be awed by the massive cranes and impressive dry docks that once housed towering vessels. Additionally, you can witness skilled workers meticulously crafting these colossal ships, blending traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Number 4. Westerplatte. Ensure to visit Westerplatte, a place of immense historical significance as it marks the very start of World War II. Stroll along a tourist trail that guides you through the events that shaped history, making your visit a captivating and informative experience. The prominent Westerplatte monument pays tribute to the brave Polish defenders who stood strong against German forces during the war, instilling a sense of pride and remembrance. As you wander through this iconic site, don't miss out on the adorable views of the harbor and the nearby North Harbor Lighthouse. Number 3. Oliva Cathedral Organ Concert. You've got to check out the Oliva Cathedral Organ Concert. It's such a fantastic experience that you won't want to miss. Imagine the enchanting melodies coming out of this historic 14th century church. It's indeed a perfect place for music lovers. The best part? They host these concerts all year round, so no matter when you visit, there's a good chance you'll catch one. Also, the pipe organ there is mind-blowing. With 96 registers and an awe-inspiring visual appeal, it creates the most entrancing music that fills the entire cathedral. With its intricate carvings and majestic stained glass windows, the cathedral itself is a beauty, creating a unique ambience that enhances the musical experience. Number 2. Day Trip to Malbork Castle. Looking for a day trip away from the ordinary? Look no further than the enchanting Malbork Castle, the largest castle in the world. This UNESCO World Heritage Site promises a wonderful experience that will be cherished by history enthusiasts and adventure seekers. As you wander through the imposing Gothic fortress, you'll be immersed in the stories of knights and noble lords that once roamed its vast halls. You may also consider going on a guided tour to unlock the secrets of this magnificent edifice, delving deep into its rich history and fascinating anecdotes. While at it, ensure to feast your eyes on the intricate architecture that stands as a testament to the outstanding craftsmanship of the city's ancestors. Number 1. Complete the Tri-City Loop. As you wrap up your Gdańsk adventure, get ready to go on the thrilling Tri-City Loop. This thrilling journey will sweep you off your feet as you explore the dynamic trio of Gdańsk, Sopot, and Gdynia, set against the picturesque Baltic Sea. Start by visiting all the attractions in Gdańsk we mentioned in this video. Next is Sopot, known for its beautiful beaches and lively nightlife, promising you endless fun and relaxation. Gdynia also beckons with its tranquil beaches, engaging museums, and bustling harbors, ensuring that no adventurer is left unsatisfied. Click here for more things to do in Poland.